chance to do something positive. Give something back. You can help people. You can really make a difference to people's lives. That's what community service is all about. There are people out there that think you're scum. You have an opportunity to show them they're wrong.
Yeah, but what if they're right?
The steady brain, the people chatting, the conversating, the prices.
Something really weird is happening. I'm hearing these voices in my head. It's like I can hear what people are thinking.
Okay, you can hear our thoughts. What am I thinking now?
You think it's bullshit?
Of course I think it's bullshit. You don't need to be a mind reader to know that.
Just storm the lightning. I don't know. You've done something to us.
So hold on. Only you have some kind of special power. Everyone can do something except me. How does that make any sense?
Maybe you can do something. You just haven't found out what it is yet.
Yeah. Right. What if I can't feel pain? Ow!
Did you feel that?
Stop hitting me!
What if we're meant to be like superheroes?
You lot, superheroes. No offense, but in what kind of fucked up world would that be allowed to happen?
I did not sign up for that.
Superheroes. I love this guy, you prick.